From April to October 2025, 158 countries and regions and 7 international organizations participated in the Osaka-Kansai Expo in Japan. Otis elevators and escalators played a vital role at the popular French Pavilion in the expo.
使用されるエレベーターやエスカレーターはお客様の体験を左右する大きな役割を担っております。フランスパビリオンの世界観に寄り添い、お客様がより没入感に浸れるようなエレベーターを実現しました。
The France Pavilion is an artistic pavilion at heart. We welcome about 30,000 people every day in our premises. So one of the reasons why we chose Otis Elevators is because it's one of the most known companies in the world for elevators and escalators, and we really valued your expertise and even the design of the elevators and escalators. And right now we are in front of the elevators that go all the way to the 4th floor, which leads to the event hall. And when we ride the elevators with our clients, most of them tell us, wow, it's such classy elevators. We didn't know that in a pavilion that was built so fast, we could have such classy elevators. So yes, mostly the escalator is very important in our exhibition. It is at the heart of the exhibition, leading to what we call the Miraculous Garden. It is very important as an item because it is really a centerpiece to create these memories and to showcase this space. Otis personnel and all of the teams are very experienced and they know a lot about their elevators and escalators. So for us, while building the pavilion, it was important to rely on this experience and expertise on the technological side. So Otis personnel was very reactive. When we had any small issue, the teams would come very fast and fix the problems. So we're really satisfied with the experience.
国際的なつながりと確かに技術力、この2つがオーティスが最適なパートナーである理由だと感じています。このような国際的で意義のあるプロジェクトに携われること、また困難に直面した時も社員同士が協力し合い助け合える雰囲気があること、チームワークと挑戦できる環境があることがオーティスで働く魅力だと感じています。